Hi, I'm Dr. Wilshire Blvd, Beverly Hills dental specialist, and I make people happier one smile at a time. In today's video, we're going to be getting into something that every parent asks themselves, the difference between an adult orthodontist and a children's orthodontist. Let's go. Did you know that teeth can be moved orthodontically as early as 6 years old? It's true. And on the other side, did you know that the oldest recorded age for a person in braces is 86? So that's a lot of patients that can get braces. So who do you go to when you finally want to get the smile of your dreams that gives you all the confidence in the world? Or who do you go to when you want to make sure your precious child has the best bite and jaw growth possible? Before I begin, if you're interested in finding out everything there is to know about orthodontic treatment, like this video, click subscribe, and find out how to get the smile of your dreams. Make sure to stay tuned because I'm going to tell you exactly what to look for at your orthodontist's office to know if he or she is the right one for your child. Alright, so where were we? Oh yeah. So there's physicians for adults and pediatricians for kids. So it makes sense that the dentist would be the same way. And while that's true, there's specialists for kids called periodontists. It's not true for orthodontics. We orthodontists are actually responsible for being educated on growth from day one all the way until you lose your teeth. Well, hopefully you don't lose your teeth. Just saying. Alright, so why have so many of us heard about children's orthodontists? That's a great question, and the answer is simpler than you think. Most of us are lucky enough to live in areas where there's lots of dentists and orthodontists within driving distance, and with that you're going to get variation on how doctors like to practice. Some offices are bigger, others are smaller. Some dentists do veneers and aesthetic work, others do more checkups and routine work like cavities, fillings, and tooth extractions. Orthodontics is kind of the same way. There's orthodontists who prefer to work on adults, and there's a few reasons why it's preferred, and definitely some why it's not. And there's some orthodontists who have more fun working with kids and helping them grow and have great healthy bites. And then there's some orthodontists who just have that magic touch, who can work with patients of all ages. So that's it? Just what the orthodontist prefers? Well, not actually. An adult orthodontist is an orthodontist who can straighten teeth with braces, aligners, retainers, and a whole bunch of other appliances. They can also work with your dentist to make sure your teeth move into a better position to help solve a dental problem. Or if you're gonna have jaw surgery, an adult orthodontist is who you're gonna need. So for the sake of this conversation, an adult orthodontist is exactly what you always thought an orthodontist was. If your orthodontist is presenting as a children's orthodontist, they're actually more than likely going to have an office that's geared towards making children comfortable. So if the office is all in on treating children only, you can see decorations that set the vibe. You also notice staff who are patient with the little ones who might still be learning what it's like to be in a dentist's office. And that's a big one. The staff will be nurturing and will also know how to help build up the confidence of the child, so they feel empowered when they're in the dental chair. And then there's the orthodontist. Now this is the real difference, and it boils down to two things. First, a children's orthodontist will know how to talk to your kiddo, explain things to them, and get them excited about their orthodontic journey. And it can be scary for a kid. And parents sometimes don't know or don't have all the information to calm those fears. A children's orthodontist will be able to do that. And the very best children's orthodontists can get your child to act like a mini adult who takes ownership of their treatment and helps the orthodontist and mom and dad throughout the process. This gentle touch and the ability to connect with little ones isn't for everyone, but it's a must for a children's orthodontist. And second, children's orthodontics involves a lot more than just straightening teeth. We all grow differently, and some of us just don't get the best jaw growth. Something I tell all parents in this situation is that their child has mom's upper jaw and dad's lower jaw. And so the children's orthodontist needs to be able to identify growth issues before they've gone too far to be corrected easily. These issues can be open bites where the teeth don't come together, a narrow upper jaw that needs to be widened to fit better with the lower jaw, something called a crossbite, or an upper jaw that's too far back and needs to be drawn forward to help correct something called an underbite. All of these issues have special appliances that require skilled and experienced doctors. Your orthodontist will be able to explain the risks and things you need to know, and they'll have the answers for what to do if there's an emergency or a problem. A children's orthodontist will just have the know-how to make your treatment experience the best it can be. And that, my friends, is the difference between an adult orthodontist and a children's orthodontist. So if you're thinking about starting orthodontic treatment for your child, here's what to pay attention to in the office to know if that orthodontist is right for you and your family. Is the office friendly, and do the staff members treat your child in a way that makes them feel confident? Does your orthodontist build trust with you, connect with your child, and make them feel excited for their treatment? Does the orthodontist and the team explain things in a way that's understandable to you and your little one? Is the office a fun place to be? Do you feel like you could see and interact with these people every few weeks? And when it comes to your treatment plan, does the orthodontist discuss how the treatment will affect and enhance your child's growth. Alright everyone, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And now for your special bonus for watching this video, if you're interested in getting the smile of your dreams, DM us on Instagram at wlaortho and get your free consultation with me, Dr. J. Alright everyone, have a great day.